make our crowning glory prettier. Ready? And here are the products that you need. Hairfix Collagen Peptide and Castor Oil Leave-On Spray, Hairfix Stronghold Hairspray, Hair Tie, and Rat Tail Coat. This helps protect your hair for any hairstyle you need to do.
No tricks, just Hairfix. Get your hair done, get your
Using your 3 fingers, section your hair, leaving the front part.
Serve the tender loving care. Long, short, straight, or wavy hair dapat lagi healthy. Huwag ka nang mag-worry.
Make your ponytail super high.
Get your hair done in minutes. Feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done.
Now let's play around with this part of your hair. Comb through the hair, make sure it's neat. Then cover your hair tie.
Get your hair done. Get your hair done. Get your
Hair pin. And this side.
Get your hair done. Get your hair done. Get your hair done. Get your hair done. Every day na lang.
I look like a mess, but don't worry. There's extra stronghold hairspray from Hairfix that will help and save our day.
Gulo. Minsan grabe magtampo. Huwag ka nang mag-worry. Solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done.
So, that's how you make an easy DIY K-pop idol ponytails. With the help of Hairfix, Collagen, Peptide, Castor Oil Leave-On Spray, Hairfix Stronghold Hairspray. For more hairstyle tips, follow Hairfix Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and you are ready to wear your crowning glory. These are readily available at Watson stores nationwide.